In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Softr support. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and which option to choose to get help quickly. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Softr support. This is the fastest way to land on the official help resources. In the results, look for the official Softr support page and click through to open it. Once you're on the Softr support page, you'll see several ways to get assistance. First is the community. This is a great place to connect with other builders, browse existing threads, and learn from real-world examples. If you have a general "how do I do this" question or want best practices, search the community first. Chances are someone has already solved a similar problem. It's also a good place to share what you've tried and get feedback from peers. Next, check out the help docs. These are step-by-step articles written by the Softr team. Use the search bar in the docs to find the exact topic you need, whether it's authentication, data connections, or design. If you're troubleshooting, scan the related articles at the bottom of a doc and note any version-specific details so you're following the most up-to-date instructions. You'll also find Softr experts. These are the only third parties authorized by Softr to provide professional support. Consider this route if you need hands-on help, custom builds, or a tight timeline. Project scope, timelines, and fees are arranged directly with the expert you choose, so outline your requirements clearly before you reach out. When you need direct help from Softr, go to the contact section. Softr provides live chat and email support for every subscription plan, including the free plan. Use live chat when you want quick back and forth guidance. You'll typically find the chat widget on the support page. Choose email if your question is detailed, if you're sharing logs or multiple screenshots, or if you prefer an asynchronous response. When you write in, include a concise description of the issue, the steps to reproduce it, and any relevant links or screenshots. That context helps the team resolve your request faster. If you prefer email, just click the email option provided on the page to open your mail client with the correct address. To recap, search for Softr support on Google, open the official support page, and choose the route that fits your need. Community for peer help, help docs for guided answers, experts for professional services, and contact for live chat or email with Softr's team. Follow these steps and you'll get the right help at the right time.